A new dragon takes flight, the unveiling of China's sixth-generation fighter. The world of military aviation is abuzz with speculation. Recent glimpses of new Chinese aircraft have sent ripples of concern through defense establishments globally. Analysts believe they're witnessing the emergence of China's first foray into sixth-generation fighter technology. Sleek, tailless airframes hint at advanced stealth capabilities, surpassing anything in China's current arsenal. This development signals China's intent to challenge the United States' dominance in air power. The global race for next-generation air superiority is in full swing. The United States, with its NGAD program, and a European-led consortium developing the Global Combat Air Program, are already heavily invested in this competition. China's entry adds a new layer of complexity and uncertainty to this evolving landscape. The stakes in a world grappling with geopolitical shifts couldn't be higher. Stealth and beyond. Defining characteristics of the new generation. What defines a sixth-generation fighter? It is not simply an incremental improvement over existing designs. Stealth, of course, is paramount. Imagine an aircraft virtually invisible to enemy radar, a ghost in the sky. These aircraft are expected to be highly networked, operating as nodes in a larger battlespace web. Artificial intelligence will play a crucial role, assisting pilots in managing the overwhelming flow of information and making split-second decisions. Advanced weaponry, potentially including directed energy weapons, will redefine the very nature of aerial combat. The tailless design, a radical departure from previous Chinese fighters, strongly suggests a focus on stealth. The size of the airframe hints at a large internal weapons bay and the potential for long-range strike missions. While details about its avionics and sensor capabilities remain classified, it is safe to assume that China is aiming for parity, if not superiority, in these areas. The global race heats up. China enters the sixth-gen arena. The development of these aircraft is not happening in a vacuum. It is part of a larger trend, the rapid modernization of China's military capabilities. For decades, China lagged behind the United States and its allies in terms of military technology. But that gap has been closing rapidly. The emergence of these new aircraft is a powerful symbol of China's ambitions. It wants to project power not just regionally, but globally. The United States, for its part, is not standing still. The NGAD program is shrouded in secrecy, but it is clear that the aim is to develop an aircraft that will maintain America's edge in the skies. This competition has the potential to reshape the balance of power. Ghosts in the machine, comparing China's design to the F-22 and F-35. While concrete information about the Chinese aircraft's performance remains scarce, comparisons to existing fifth-generation fighters like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II are inevitable. The F-22, with its focus on air superiority, and the F-35, designed for a wider range of missions, represent the pinnacle of current US fighter technology. The new Chinese fighter, at least visually, seems to share some design philosophies with the F-22. The emphasis on a tailless configuration suggests a similar prioritization of stealth and maneuverability. However, the larger size of the Chinese aircraft might indicate a greater internal fuel capacity and weapons payload, potentially exceeding the F-22's capabilities in range and versatility. The F-35's strength lies in its advanced sensor fusion and networking capabilities, allowing it to act as a quarterback in the sky. It remains to be seen whether the Chinese fighter can match or exceed the F-35 in this regard. One thing is certain, the emergence of this new aircraft has put the world on notice. Tailless and fearless advantages of the flying wing configuration. The most striking visual feature of China's new fighter is undoubtedly its tailless design. This flying wing configuration, while not entirely new, represents a significant departure from previous Chinese aircraft and hints at the advanced capabilities it may possess. The absence of a traditional tail fin and rudder immediately signals a focus on stealth. By eliminating them, designers can drastically reduce an aircraft's radar cross-section, making it far more difficult for enemy radar systems to detect and track. The flying wing design, with its inherently stable aerodynamic properties, can enhance maneuverability and reduce drag, leading to increased range and fuel efficiency. It also provides a larger internal volume, allowing for greater fuel storage, a more extensive weapons bay, or potentially even accommodations for future directed energy weapon systems. However, designing and building a stable and controllable tailless aircraft presents significant engineering challenges. The fact that China has chosen to pursue this design speaks volumes about the confidence they have in their aerospace engineering capabilities. The Dragon's Shadow, strategic implications, and the future of air power. The emergence of China's sixth-generation fighter program is a watershed moment in military aviation. It signals the arrival of a new major player in the global race for air superiority, one with the ambition and resources to challenge the existing order. The strategic implications of this development are far-reaching. For the United States, it represents a potent new challenge to its long-standing military dominance. The potential for China to field a fighter with superior stealth, range, and payload capabilities to existing American aircraft has sent ripples of concern through the Pentagon. Countries in the Asia-Pacific region, already wary of China's growing military might, face a new and uncertain security environment. The balance of power in the region, long underpinned by American military superiority, could be fundamentally altered. The development of this new fighter also highlights the accelerating pace of technological change in the military sphere. Ultimately, the emergence of China's sixth-generation fighter is a stark reminder that we are entering a new era of great power competition.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.